OtterPro All-in-One DTF Printer Model S60, your go-to option for wider and larger designs in your garment personalization business. Equipped with two Epson's i3200 printheads, it offers faster printing speeds and higher precision on the prints. To improve your efficiency, we also launch a double-station heat press and large format heat press, making batch printing easily. Compared to the Model S40, the Model S60 has some structural adjustments but still maintains a space-saving design for your workspace. The maximum print width is 60 centimeters, supporting the most popular film sizes on the market. Using Epson's i3200 printheads, offering faster printing speeds and higher precision on the prints. It features a trolley anti-collision design that avoids unexpected conditions and protects printheads from damage during printing. Upgraded THK Mute linear guide rails delivers smoother and faster printing. 3-section vacuum adsorption platform ensures the platform's flatness and printing precision. 3-stage heating in the front, middle, and rear. It accelerates the ink drying. Manual crank control for precise adjustment of pinch rollers. The built-in alarm sensor reminds you to add ink in time, minimizing damage to the printer. With a peristaltic pump, it ensures continuous white ink circulation to prevent print head clogging. The printer cleans and maintains the print head regularly, ensuring optimal printing performance. Visible waste ink bottle. Monitor waste ink level and prevent overflow. In case of an emergency, you can stop the operation immediately during printing. 2 smoke purifiers work together to eliminate unpleasant odors and creating a more pleasant workspace thoroughly. With a multi-language system automatic layout and customized ICC profile, you can efficiently get what you see is what you get result. We've established local service stations across the US, Mexico, Panama, and Europe, offering comprehensive services from purchasing and installation to after-sales support, training, maintenance, and repairs.